What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it has been a long time. I do apologize. It has been a long time. What's it been, like 6 months, I think? Yeah, most of y'all probably thought I died. Some of you probably hoped I did. But anyway, so we are back on the CenFlo diesel channel. Got some Rebel stuff for y'all today. Actually filmed part of this video about 3 months ago. Long enough ago that the Flatty was still up and running, believe it or not. So yeah, that's how long ago this was. But yeah, I actually filmed a little bit of an intro then and just never did anything with it, so that's terrible. But yeah, so I figured I'll include that in this video as well. But yeah, I got some cool stuff coming at y'all today. We swapped out the stock exhaust on the Rebel, so we got a new exhaust now. I think I actually said it in another one of the clips I have in this video, but bear with me. But yeah, anyway, we got the Carven competitor series, just a bolt-in kit. It's basically just a muffler swap. If you guys never seen it, I think I have a picture. If I do, I'll include it. But yeah, it's basically just a muffler swap. And I got the 5-inch tips mainly because they were black tips, and I don't know if y'all seen, I think in the stock exhaust clip, I think you can see it, but it has like chrome tips. And I mean, I don't know if you guys have looked at this truck lately, but there is no chrome on this truck. I mean, there's machined on the wheels, but that's fine, but that's not chrome. So they decided from the factory to put chrome tips on the stock exhaust. Nobody knows why. And fun fact, if you have a 2019 Rebel, the new 5th generation, those actually come with black exhaust tips with all the black badges. So they wised up in the new generation, but the 4th generation didn't get it. So, but anyway, we're gonna jump right into the video. So I'll go ahead and post that clip from like 3 or 4 months ago. Again, guys, I apologize, but we're gonna try not to take such a crazy hiatus this time. So let's get right into it. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed off to the races. We got the flatbed loaded up, and we're gonna take the Rebel out. We're gonna see what a stock Rebel will do. Quarter mile, probably 15 and a half, but should be a good time. So we're gonna take it out there and see what she'll do. See you guys at the track. Oh yeah, real slow, buddy. Real slow. You're the one that's got some records to beat, some things to do.
Some shifts to bang.
That's right. So,
let's go.
All right, man. We'll see y'all there. All right, y'all, so we are out here at the track. As you can see, got the Rebel. They are unstrapping the Flatty right now. And yeah, we're gonna see what she does. I'm still thinking it's gonna run like a 15.5. It's just, you know, I mean, it's got the 392s in it. I am gonna launch 4 high. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But I'm definitely expecting somewhere in like the mid 15s. I really have no idea what they run, so we'll see what happens.
At 90 miles an hour. Hell yeah.
All right, y'all, so as you seen, took the truck to the drag strip. That was pretty cool. It's actually faster than I thought it was. I was expecting like a 15, which I think I said in the clip. I was expecting like somewhere in the 15, maybe a mid 15. So 14.8 wasn't bad at all. Definitely happy with that. And I like the way the new exhaust sounds. I was gonna try to do some in the cab, but I mean, these 4th gens are so well insulated in the cab that there's no drone. Like, you got to be turning 2,500 RPM to get any kind of drone. And this truck with 392 gears on 33s, it barely turns 2,000 RPM at 80 miles an hour. So even going down the highway at 80, I can hear the tires more than I can hear the exhaust. And these Toyo ATs are pretty quiet. So I mean, it's very calm, very cool. So if some of y'all out there have kids, or you know, you don't want the wife complaining, definitely the exhaust for you. Sounds good on the outside, pretty quiet on the inside, so I'm happy with it. But anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.